Hey YouTube, got a pretty easy job here on a 2006 Mini Cooper S. This is the R53 variant, but really doesn't matter. The R50s and R52s are pretty similar here. What we're doing today is we're replacing the strut here, which holds the bonnet up from hitting your head when you're servicing the vehicle or checking your oil. Anyway, process is quite simple. It's just a matter of removing the clips here, or at least releasing the clip with a flathead screwdriver. So have an assistant hold the hood or bonnet up so that it doesn't fall on your head when you release it. So you get the screwdriver under the clip and then you pull the strut away from the vehicle. And then over here on the bottom side, it's the same process. You get your flathead screwdriver underneath the clip and then boom, it pops out. The part that we're using today is a stableless. That's the part number, lift the mat. This is the company that makes the original equipment part. If you just buy stableless brand versus BMW, you actually save some money for the exact same part. Now, reversive removal to install it. Make sure you get the correct end. No tools required. We just put it onto the ball socket. So all you have to do is push it on until you hear a click. Now, on the top side, you might have to rotate to get it to line up. See how I've rotated it? Now move the bonnet up just to line it up and you're done. Now I've already done the other side. We can go ahead and check for proper function. Now we have a bonnet that no longer slams on your head when you check the oil. Anyway, nice quick video for you guys. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click the like button. And if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.